Okay, I just got this truck out the shop. It been in the shop for about 2 whole months. So, tell you what happened. Take a look. Here, I got a whole list, 2 pages of stuff actually. So I guess the main thing was the high pressure fuel injection replaced, the fuel injection pump. Well, let's see what they said. Let's see what they say right here. Let's see. EEC test DTCS attached. Found high pressure pump locked up. So the high pressure pump actually locked up on here. I was driving it one day and just cut off on me. So they said the engine was okay at this time. They replaced the pump, the fuel line, the fuel rails, the injectors, remove and replace the fuel tank, drain the tank, flush fuel lines and the metal shavings, added fuel, program injectors, reset fuel spec, test drive good at this time. Yeah, I had it for probably a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks, and the pump went out on it. It's the platinum. So I don't know, man. They said the pump was $6,000. It was a 40-hour job, and like I said, they had to order the pump. It took months. Well, not months, but it took 2 months to get it and get it done, man. Yeah, that's the story with this guy. Is the high pressure fuel pump went out, and so I'm gonna drive it and I'm gonna see how it rides. I ordered all the light kits, the wheel lights, the little rock lights that goes up here, the lights for your running board. So it's a light that goes downside there, LED running board lights. Got that. I'm changing the lights on top up there. I don't like that amber color. I'm changing that to white. I think I'm gonna change these here out too. Black LED something. We'll see. But yeah, that's the story. That's what's going on with this guy right here.